Hi, do you know why Kalaripayattu is not famous until now?
Because the practitioners couldn't actually evolve Kalaripayattu with the timing, like with the growth of the centuries and all that. They couldn't actually grow the actual martial art, the Indian traditional martial art, because of the Britishers' timing. They were too scared that they got shot and all that, because they didn't want tough competitors. The Britishers didn't want tough competitors at that point of time. But now, as they are growing, Kalaripayattu slowly becoming famous. But then, even though if we want them to be in MMA or other martial arts like Western martial arts, we can't actually add them, because Kalaripayattu is mainly weapon based. And the traditional MMA fighters or the actual trained MMA fighters, Kalaripayattu fighters can't take their punches.
See, in the lockdown, we have watched a lot of movies. In that, mostly they concentrate on Malayalam movies, that is the regional language of Kerala. So in Kerala, at least they can show in the movies at least about the Kalaripayattu, so the people can get curiosity.
There might be a few movies having a Kalaripayattu, like if you see Bagi, the first one, that has Kalaripayattu training and all in it.
In the educational institution, government of education, they have to promote, like give some information about a minimal information about the fights of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra and Karnataka, Telangana, all that about India. Like each day they give any minimal information.
There are a few schools who are actually promoting Kalaripayattu. Like 5th, 6th, 7th, I was in a school called Prakriya Green Wisdom School. We had those annual day events and all that. In that annual day events, we couldn't use swords obviously, so we used sticks for Kalaripayattu. We did Kalaripayattu ourselves. We learned Kalaripayattu from YouTube, because there are actual practitioners who have posted YouTube videos about it. We actually portrayed that, how it is done, how people fight and all that. So the audiences and the parents who had actually come to visit the annual day, they enjoyed it. But then what you guys train for it, but what's the next part? The only thing you can use is you use it as self-defense. And Kalaripayattu is actually, when you start Kalaripayattu, you have to take a note that you won't use it for selfish purposes.
Karnataka Kusti is famous.
That's what is Kusti. Basically, it's wrestling. Wrestling, because it is an Olympic sport, it has gotten famous.
Why can't the Kalaripayattu get an Olympic sport?
It can't be an Olympic sport because it is used by weapons. See, if it was a hand-in-hand combat, like MMA or something, MMA is almost about to get into Olympics because it is hand-in-hand combat. If you talk like that, cricket is also not an Olympic sport because it is not hand-in-hand combat. You see hand-in-hand combat where body touches are there. Other than table tennis and badminton and tennis and all those few sports, all those sports have hand-in-hand combat.
Yes.
So they can't add anything which is not hand-in-hand combat. And there is so much more risk of people dying if you do Kalaripayattu in Olympics or any World Cups or something like that, because people will show no mercy. They have come to win. They don't care if that person dies.